10 superfoods you need to add to your diet in 2025. Welcome to Salimat Holistic Channel. Want to supercharge your health this year? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the top 10 superfoods of 2025 that will take your diet and your wellness to the next level. These aren't just trendy. They're backed by science and packed with incredible health benefits. Let's jump right in. Sea moss. First up, we've got sea moss. This ocean treasure is loaded with minerals like iodine, magnesium, and potassium, which are amazing for your thyroid health and energy levels. Plus, it's a vegan source of collagen, perfect for glowing skin. Add it to smoothies or use it as a gel in soups. It's versatile and super healthy. Teff. Next is teff, a tiny ancient grain that's making a huge comeback. It's gluten-free and packed with fiber, iron, and protein. Teff is great for supporting digestion and maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Use it to make porridge, bake gluten-free bread, or toss it into salads for a nutty crunch. Tiger nuts. Have you heard of tiger nuts? Despite the name, they're actually tubers, not nuts. They're rich in prebiotics, which help improve gut health. Snack on them raw or roasted or blend them into creamy dairy-free milk. Delicious and gut-friendly. Moringa. Now let's talk about moringa, also known as the miracle tree. This green powder is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's perfect for boosting your immunity and reducing inflammation. Stir it into your morning tea, sprinkle it over salads, or mix it into energy balls. Black garlic. Black garlic is garlic taken to the next level. Fermented until it's sweet and packed with antioxidants, it's excellent for heart health and lowering cholesterol. Use it as a spread, mix it into pasta, or blend it into sauces for a unique flavor boost. Cactus water. Cactus water is 2025's hydration hero. It's low in sugar, high in electrolytes, and perfect for post-workout recovery. Drink it straight or use it as a base for smoothies. It's refreshing and great for your skin. Fonio. Fonio is another ancient grain that's gaining fame. It's gluten-free, cooks quickly, and is rich in amino acids and minerals like zinc and magnesium. Swap it for rice or couscous in your favorite dishes. It's fluffy, nutty, and super versatile. Philly nuts. Philly nuts are creamy, buttery, and packed with healthy fats. They're amazing for brain health and keeping you full longer. Eat them as a snack. Sprinkle them on yogurt or blend them into nut butter. Baobab fruit. Baobab is the tree of life, and its fruit is loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. It's perfect for digestion and glowing skin. Add baobab powder to smoothies, water, or even baked goods for a tangy citrus kick. And finally, fermented blueberries. Fermentation boosts their gut-healing properties and enhances their antioxidant power. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or just snack on them straight from the jar. They're tart, tangy, and amazing for gut health. So there you have it, 10 incredible superfoods that are redefining health and wellness in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite superfood that's already part of your diet? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a healthy tip. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and supercharged.